Hello, this is Emilio Melendez from BoricuaRealty.com. We're here in Fajardo. $125,000 only. Corner lot, 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. This house is incredible. So, you want to buy your house here in Puerto Rico for only $125,000. You get this beautiful, beautiful home. Plenty of light coming into the house. Natural light. We have windows in the entrance. Air conditioning. And here to the left, we're going to have our small little kitchen. Now I'm going to the right, we have our first bedroom. And the bedroom has a small little closet to the left here. We now have the bathroom. Linen closet to our left, master bedroom to our right. Again, corner unit, has 2 windows, air flowing from both sides. Very comfortable, nice closet space. And now we're going into the last bedroom. Also has an air conditioning, going both ways so you can see it. For only $125,000, corner lot. This is one of the best priced properties I've ever seen here in this market. Now we're going out to your carport area with dining room, washer dryer area here. Here we would exit, or you would come in to bring your cars. To the left, we have the storage area, and I'm going to show you what I think is incredible. This area here. So we're here in the patio, and again, a corner lot makes a difference. That's why it's so incredible, and it has this incredible trees, greenery. You can put a hammock here with all this breeze. I don't know if you can hear it. Anyway. This is Emilio from BoricuaRealty.com. For only $125,000, you can buy this beautiful home. We are having an open house on Saturday, and you will have to read the information below to verify the address and verify the exact times. Emilio Melendez from Boricua Realty, 954-558-2277. $125,000 buys you this beautiful home in Fajardo, Puerto Rico. Boricua Realty, thank you.